Okay, so hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to talk about how we can set up the conversion API in FlexiFunnel. Okay, so I already installed Pixel on my page, but I am facing issues to track the exact conversion. So that's why I'm going to set up the conversion API. This is my ads manager. Okay, so if you see today is the 8th April. Today is the 8th April. If you see here our today ad spend is the 218 rupees and we are getting 5 leads. But if you see, I am checking on the FlexiFunnel. So let me check this. So here is my registration link. If I click here, so you can see how much registration we are getting. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are getting 10 leads, but in dashboard here is just showing only 5 leads. So this is not correct. So for this, I am going to set up the conversion API so I can track the exact number ki how much leads we are getting. Based on that, we are optimizing our campaign. Okay. So I will also show you ki here is the like already Pixel installed. But right now I am going to set up the conversion API. Okay. For setting the conversion API, first of all, I have to create the conversion API. So for that, I come here and I click on the setting and then come on the business setting. So here is the business setting and here is the data. You can see conversion API. So here I have to create one conversion API first. So for that I click here, click on ads, click on the create a new conversion API. So he redirects me here. So here I have to set up the conversion API. Okay. So what we can do for conversion API, here I have to put the name. So here I put the name of the thank you page free workshop. Okay, so this is my conversion API name and here you have to choose the pixels that you created. See, if you wanted to set up the conversion API, first of all you have to create a pixel. Okay, so how you can create the pixel? From here, data sets. So I already set up the pixel, that is this one. Let me do this. This one is like end of the pixel number is 2272. Okay, so I come on the events manager. So this is my pixel I already created 2272. So I am going to set up the conversion API through using this particular pixel code. Okay, so in this scenario I put it the conversion API name and here I have to choose the source, like from where I have to track the data. So I choose this particular pixel and then I have to choose the like from where I have to track the data on website and then I have to put the URL which one I wanted to track. So in this scenario I wanted to track the thank you page. So this is my thank you page URL. I open this and I wanted to track this particular thing. Just I copy this particular URL, come on event manager, and here I have to put the here and just I click on the create. Yes. Okay. So now because of I already installed the pixel on this particular thing. So what I have to do in FlexiFunnel, if you wanted to set up the conversion API, you have to delete the code of the pixels. Okay. So I already installed the pixel code. I show you. Here is our pixel code. You can see. So I have to delete this I have to delete the code. So how I can delete this? I have to, because I pasted the code in the project. So I click on the project, click on the general code, and here I am going to delete this particular thing. So, okay, click on update. So first of all, I have to remove the pixel code. Then I can set up the conversion API. Okay. So in your mind, you are thinking like if you remove the code, how you are going to track. So let me wait just a second. I will show you how we are going to track. Okay. Retargeting code is updated. I come on here and maybe code is not visible here. You can see code is removed. Okay. So what I have to do for set up the conversion API, I have to click on setting icon and then here you got the option of the conversion API. Okay. So here you can see here is the like two conversion API already installed. So I'm going to create a new one. I click on here, click on Facebook Connects and click on setting. And here I have to give them the name. So in this scenario, I'm going to put the name of the this particular what we can say the liberated man. Okay, and here I put it the name of the liberated man, or here I have to put it the pixel ID, that is the number of ID. Okay, so for that I come on here, and this is my pixel that I use. So I copy this particular code and I paste this particular code here. And here he is asking access token. So for access token, let me check once. First of all, come on the event manager, go here, and then where he want to go, on click on setting. So for setting, this is the setting, and then scroll down to conversion API. Let me open this. The conversion API. Yeah, this is the conversion API. And what I have to do next, under that section, click generate access token. Okay, generate access token. Okay, this is the my pixel. So this is the new feature we are getting first time, and maybe if you are doing the setup, maybe you are not getting this feature because he is already like this is like beta version. Okay, so I click on the generate access token. I copy this and then come back to here, click on the setting. I put it the access code here. Here I put it the name of the page, that is the liberated man. Copy, and here I have to put it the pixel code. Code is, just click on overview. So this is my code. Okay, I copy this and I paste here. My conversion API setup is done, and these this is the like new feature introduced by I think they are already testing this feature. So let me on this particular things. Okay, if it's allowed to track the pixel, so it's also helpful helpful for us. Okay, so I click on the update. Okay, never. So it's connected. Another things we have to do it, we have to click on the project, we have to come on the project, and here I have to click on the projects general code, and here I have to come on the conversion API, and we have to active this particular things. Okay, and here I have to select the uh, which conversion API I am going to track. So I am going to track that we created right now, the liberated main. Okay, and just click on the save and conversion API. So FlexiFunnel work is done. It is enough to like set the conversion API. Before this particular update, like mm, FlexiFunnel allow us to only like track the conversion API, not pixel. But this time he introduced the another pop-up. You can also track the pixel parallelly. So what is the difference between pixel tracking and conversion API? So if you are track the pixel, it's like going to what we can say. So just I forgot ki what is that. So I tell you. So we can simply do the chat GPT. What is the pixel tracking and copy tracking? And here we got the some details. Yeah, this word I like forget. So Facebook pixel tracking is the like browser side tracking. What is it? A JavaScript code installed on your website that tracks what user do, how it works. Like simply fire inside to a user browser, track action like page view, add to cart, purchase. है ना? Example, use click your user click on your ads, land on site, pixel fire, send data to Meta. This is the like basic feature of the pixel, okay, how it's work. If you talk about the like conversion API, so here is the like few problems with like a pixel problem with pixel is the blocked by the iOS 14 plus privacy update and ad blocker. So these things going to block, we are like you are facing problems to track this particular that we are facing currently. Okay, so data lose up to 30 to 70% sometimes. Okay, but what is if you set up the conversion API? Conversion API tracking is server side tracking. Okay, so what is this? Tracking that send data directly from your server to Meta, bypassing the browser. In this particular scenario, there is a no any need of the browsers. They directly connect with server and they send data to Meta. Okay, how it works, like your server send events to Meta, does not rely on user browser. Okay, so this is the example flow. User purchase, your server records it and send event via API. Meta receive it. So this is the process using it. Conversion API and Pixel. I hope you got it. Here is the some differences you can see. Features where it runs user browse, like Pixel run on browser and Conversion API run on server. Data reliability can be blocked, much more reliable है ना. अगर जब copy use करते हो so it's like more reliable. Speed is fast. Pixel slightly delay, like it's take like few minutes but give you the like better results. And here is the accuracy in Pixel medium and copy is the high, and privacy proof weak and strong in copy strong. So I hope you got it. What is the this? Okay, so now I already set up the conversion API. If I refresh this, I got the code here. If all thing is okay, yeah, you can see this is the code is showing. Now my task is ki I have to track the I have to create the new campaign and track my conversion API that I created here. Which one? So I click on here. This is my which one? Yeah, this is the workshop, free workshop I created. I have to track this. So you can see this conversion API copy is not active. So I have to active this. For that, what we can do, we have to open this particular URL in multiple time, so I can see this particular. It's taking like few minutes and then it's going to active. If conversion API not active, you are not going, you are not able to track the conversion API. Let me do this. So I'm come on here, just refresh it again, and we have to active this particular things. It's take like 5 to 10 minutes, so we have to wait sometimes, and then we continue again. Okay. Let me do another things. I come on the ad campaign, and I have to just click on edit, and I copy this particular things. Just I duplicate this particular campaign because all thing is sorted. Just I have to check the campaign. Today is the 8th April, so I change the date. I don't touch any budget. So here I have to just change the I am going to conversion API, and here is our let me open this. Okay, before the setup, we have to assign the conversion API with this particular ad account. For that, I come on the custom conversion. Where is my custom conversion? Let me refresh this. First of all, we have to assign this particular conversion API to ads manager. Then it's going to show in our ads manager. I hope you got it. How you have to do it? Click on the connect assets. Click on the other, and here you have to assign this particular conversion API to this particular ads accounts. So here is the some verification he is asking. So let me verify this. Let me refresh this particular also. Conversion API active or not, because it's need to active. Then we are going to set up the, it's still like inactive. Okay, so we have to wait. These things we have to track. Okay, this is the conversion API, and I don't know why it's not going to live, but we have to track this particular things. And let's see how it's take the time. We have to check the particular copy install. Okay, everything is sorted. I think it's give me the allowed to track this particular things, but maybe it's take the 5 to 7 minutes. But if it is going to active, so it's working properly. If it is not going to active, so there is some issues, but I think everything is okay from my side. So let me active this particular ads for now, and then we'll update you on other parts. Okay, so let me click on the review and public, and I have to also fix the quality of leads. Okay, so let me fix the first of all tracking, and then we focus on the another part. Okay. So yeah, in this particular video, thank you so much. I hope you understand how you have to install the conversion API. Let me know if you have still any questions and confusion. We are going to sort out that particular things also. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.